Welcome to our step-by-step guide on integrating Custom GPT into your Webflow site.
In this guide, we will show you how you can easily integrate UI Agent. Step 1. Find your store sitemap. You can find your sitemap at https://www.domainname.com/sitemap.xml. Step 2. Create a Custom GPT agent. Sign into your Custom GPT app and start a new project. Click on Create a Project. Add your sitemap and name the project. After naming your project, click on Create a Project. Step 3. Copy embed code. Once your project is ready, navigate to the project settings. Click on Sharing. Click on Embed Code and copy the code.
Step 4. Now let's embed the HTML code into your Webflow site. First, log into your Webflow site. You can use your Google account to log in. Navigate to Site View. Click on Site Setting. Look for the option to add custom HTML code. Scroll down and then paste your embedded code into the provided space. Publish the site, and that's it. Your Custom GPT agent will appear in your website.
Thank you for watching this guide.